My name is Colin Kaufman. I'm one of the partners here at Adam Leitman Bailey, PC. Together with John Desiderio, I run the litigation unit, and I'm in charge of the title insurance defense unit. I wanted to talk today about Adam Leitman Bailey, PC, and why you might want to work here. First thing I think I should discuss is that we have striven for, and I think achieved in very large part, a culture of excellence in our legal representation. We work very hard. We work fairly long hours, although not big firm long hours, and we work smart. Adam Leitman Bailey, PC, provides all the tools you need to do an excellent job, the training you need to accomplish what you need to accomplish. We have continuing education both in-house and sponsored CLE outside, from outside sources. We have a culture also of very ruthless honesty. We're honest with ourselves, we're honest with our peers, we're honest with our clients, and that ultimately helps us to achieve our goal of giving excellent representation to everybody that comes through our doors and whose case we accept. We also have a culture of collegiality, which I think is important, particularly for younger lawyers, lawyers who are learning how to become excellent lawyers. There are people that you can lean on, people that you can learn from here. We do have a command structure, so to speak, but that command structure is very flat, it's very flexible. You will have an opportunity to expand and to become as good a lawyer as you can become and to take on as much responsibility as you want. From my viewpoint as a trial lawyer, and I've been trying cases for over 30 years, one of the great advantages of Adam Leitman Bailey PC is that young lawyers can get into the courtroom. We try and get you in to an actual courtroom situation as soon as we think you're ready for it, and as soon as you think you're ready for it, and as soon as you're able to effectively represent a client in a courtroom. You'll have a lot of backup, you'll have people you'll come to, you'll have instruction as to how to proceed. As with almost all civil litigation, most of our cases arrive at a negotiated resolution that's acceptable both to the client and to the other side. However, we are known in our niche area as extremely tough negotiators. So there is a substantial probability that cases that don't settle are going to actually go to trial and to be tried. We try and involve younger attorneys to the extent we can in trials. If we have the trial or hearing that is not a high profile, high risk to the client trial, with the permission of the client, we'll see if we can get you into the courtroom to actually try the case. If you are the kind of attorney who does want to be an excellent attorney and is willing to work hard to achieve that goal, I would be happy and proud to work with you to get there. Adam found me. There was a case in which there was conflict. Adam needed someone to represent the firm who was not a member of the firm at the time of the transactions that were involved. I represented the firm in that trial, which was brought to a successful conclusion. I've been working here, I believe it's 6 years now, 5 or 6 years. I like working here because we have really, really good young lawyers and we have really, really good old lawyers. We have people who are expert in their particular fields. My field, obviously, is trial courtroom litigation. We have people who are fantastic in appellate work and landlord-tenant, in transactional work, and some really, really good writers. I can't think of a more rewarding career. I think if you want to be a litigator in New York City, or you want to engage in transactional or L&T work, this is probably one of the best places that you could come to. The financial consideration obviously has some play here. We are certainly competitive and we're ahead of most firms in terms of compensating associates. have the opportunity for growth, we have the opportunity to learn and the opportunity to put what you've learned into practice. If you do want to work here, give one of the partners a call, set up an interview, come in and see us. We're always happy to interview people who meet the needs of our firm, and hopefully if you are prepared to work really hard and really smart, you can come and work with us.